Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login8. In this video, I will guide you on how to download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. So if you want to download all the photos and videos from Google Photos in one click, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open your Google Photos application. Now, after you open the Google Photos, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now this kind of box will pop up. Under your name you can see Google account option or manage your Google account option. All you have to do is click on this option. Now you'll be led to this interface. Here you'll have to switch to data and privacy. Scroll down and here you can find content saved from Google services. All you have to do is tap on it. Now scroll down and find photos. Here you can see photos. Over here you can see option for download. All you have to do is tap on this option. Now you'll be led to the official page of Google Takeout. Scroll down and here you can see continue option. All you have to do is tap on continue. Now you'll be led to this page. Scroll down and you can see several options over here. Here you can see the option for destination. All you have to do is tap on this box. And here you can see option for send download link via email, add to drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, add to box, etc. Select the option that you want. Here you can also choose the frequency. You can see two options over here, export once and export every 2 months for 1 year. Here you have to select on export once. Then you can also choose the file type. Then you can also choose the file size. Now all you have to do is tap on create export. Now your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. Now once this process is complete, you can go ahead and open your Gmail app. You will receive an email when your export is done. Now check your Gmail. Open the Gmail application. You can see here Google Takeout has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you can see option for download your files. All you have to do is tap on this option and you'll be able to download all the photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. So that is how you download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.